Hello to everyone. Today I have here new iPad 2020 8th generation. As you can see, just here we can see all the text. So $42 GB, iPad 8th generation, Wi-Fi, iPad USB-C, power Apple.com, etc. etc. So we can see now just the box. We can see that from this side we have iPad, from second side again iPad. Here we can see logo of Apple, and into this side we can see just corner of the iPad. So I think that we can open. So let's get it open. So I will take this. See that here is foil. Okay, right here, and let's see what is inside and what we have inside. So I can return it back and now check what is inside. So don't want okay. Is here. So we have here an iPad. Very nice. And let's check what next is inside. So design by Apple in California. So you can choose this like this and open, and we can see that we have inside a lot of papers. So we can check what is there. So some smart connector, lightning connector from bottom side, etc. So I think that you can see here all the information about standby, Touch ID, Apple Pencil if you have. Also here is just any controls and room. It's the same but in other language, so English and German I think. So these papers, we can open next one. Here again in next language. I think that's, you can see here just paper in a lot of languages, and also I can see that here is some more. Okay, what we have here next? So we can see the charger or power. We can see also here the Apple and USB-C connector for the power. And what we have here again? So we have here a cable, USB-C. So this just input to the power and to the Apple iPad, and you can charge the iPad with this. Also, if you have the notebook or laptop you can use for data, etc. So let's check the new iPad. So we can see that we have nothing else in the box, just this. So now just we can check this iPad. So we have to get down this plastic cover, so like this. Okay, get down plastic cover. Okay, next cover again down. Okay, and now we can check function and how it looks. So we can see just here we have on front of camera, and just here we can see the Touch ID home button. It's all and big display, of course, you can see. Just right here up high side here you can see the power button if you want to start. Here you can see the microphone, and just here you can see 3.5mm headphone jack, just here. When we return bottom side, so we can see here the camera, back camera, and here we can see nice Apple logo, and here information iPad. From here, down we can see the connector for USB-C, and we can see here the speakers. From these sides we can see here very nice silver holes, and I think that it is the smart connection or smart connector. And from other side we can see that we have here the volume, so up and down, so you can regulation volume of this iPad. So I think that we check all from this iPad, and we can try to turn on. So right here we can keep and wait for starting. So you can see that we have here white Apple, and we have to wait for starting. Hello, and press home to open. Hola, pulse L button, also of course, so you can see all the languages from bonjour, France, comme ça va, et toi, Chinese, all the languages you can see here. And Japanese we should show the German language, Deutsch, and also Italian. So I think that thank you for the watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for the next video, and of course if you want to buy this nice iPad, you can check the link below, because you can buy this iPad for the best price. So please don't forget to subscribe, and you can buy this machine. So if you like this video, please like or some comment. Thank you for the watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.